spent 27 years of life in China. I always have this dream. I want to know, how the world looks like. And the truth that, I'm from poor family, and the only thing that I can do in China is to, work hard, get a scholarship outside the country. So I sent the application, and I ended up do an interview with my professor in Beijing. Interviewed for an hour, and he decided to offer me the full scholarship come to Louisiana. So the first week, I came to Louisiana at LSU. My first professor shared with me, hey, Bean, if you get a PhD, you're probably not gonna get a job. That is pretty disappointing. And I was pretty sad for, a couple of weeks, because what I'm gonna do. Then I began to look for opportunity to create my own job. My name is Bean Yu. I'm the CEO of Hitlights. We manufacture LED lighting, and this is my American dream.